Hello, everybody. Today you're going to learn how to do a multi-layered map. Watch this and be amazed. The first thing you're going to do is work on your outline map. So what you need to do is that you need to put the rivers in. Just put 2 of them. You need to put bolts. Let's do it now. So B for the border, well, that's already there. O for orientation. Put that in. L for legend, put that in, and you can also put a little box to show the rivers, what that is. T for title, I put that in, and S for scale. This is 3.5 centimeters is 1,000 kilometers. 3.5 centimeters, 1,000 kilometers. And then finally, I put my name. So that's the first thing to do. After you've done your base map, then you need to put some tape on the tracing paper to the base map. Once you have that, you can fold the tracing paper over, and then you can put in all 23 provinces onto the tracing paper. I put it in black. After you've put all the provinces in, then you tape another tracing paper to the top of your base map. And then what you need to add is the Zhou and Shang dynasties. Here they are, right here, right by the rivers. I wonder why. Right here. I use 2 colors, kind of red and orange. You can use any colors you like. And don't forget to add them to your legend. The third thing you do is tape yet another piece of tracing paper to your base map and then add the terrain. So I have used brown for 2,000 to 400 meters over here. I have used kind of light green for 200 to 2,000 meters here. And I've used dark green for the 0 to 200 meters over here. And finally, you tape a piece of blank paper, not tracing paper, to the bottom, and you just tape it to your base map, and then you answer 2 questions. Why were the Shang and Zhou dynasties settled in this area of China? You answer it with question and answer. The Shang and Zhou dynasties were settled in this area because. And the second, why has China's civilization survived for so long? Again, question and answer. China's civilization has survived for so long because. When you're all done, you have a beautiful layered map. Let's take a look. So first of all, we have the base map with the rivers. Then we have all the modern provinces. If we want to find out where the Shang and Zhou dynasties were, we can just put that over it. Beautiful. If we want to just look at the provinces with the terrain, we have that. And let's say we just want terrain and the Shang and Zhou dynasties. Watch this. We have that, and then we have this. Oh, that is so beautiful. We have our full and beautiful legend, and then we have the answers here. At the very end, you can put it all together, and then what we'll do is that we'll put this up on the wall, and then you can look at it with great pride. That is a layered map of China. And that's all there is to it. The important thing of making maps is to do the best job you can. Color it nicely, draw the lines nicely, and don't forget bolts.